figured I'd find you here. You okay?
Every day was about survival. It wasn't fun. It was necessary.
You learned how to survive. Better than most.
I learned how to maim. Better than all of them. It's also the part you said needed to die, remember?
About that, I'm sorry.
No need. I know what you really meant. Brutus, with what's coming, to protect this kingdom, to protect you, I'm going to have to become her again.
At what cost? I don't want this for you. Any of this. My greatest wish is that you can leave all of that pain and this pit behind.
Oh, Brutus, my wonderful, loving, naive husband. You never leave the pit. You just bring it with you and learn how to carry it.